gear into the Lowepro bag satchel, passport satchel. It's very, very heavy. And I can just feel that all this weight on one side is gonna kill me, and I will not wanna take photos because my back hurts so much. It did fit everything in here, and I don't know if this would be an everyday thing. Selfie stick, 80 to 200. D750 with a 50, which I think I might leave. 70 to 35, no, 35 to 70 and a 24. SB 800 cards. My new Mott. And a mic. But it's all so heavy on one side, and it really pulls on my shoulder. And I just can't do it. I need to stick with what works for me. This is not the time to change. I gave it a good try. I'll show you what I'm gonna wear though.